The Galaxy Buds Live, some say the Galaxy Beam Live, has created a lot of buzz thanks to the new created bean-like shape, and I must say it well deserves the hype. Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Let's check it out.
Be strong.
Samsung has crafted an excellent pair of earbuds with the Galaxy Buds Live, delivering top-notch design with enjoyable sound and long battery life. The earbuds battery without the case almost doubles AirPods. What's more surprising is that they cost much less. These earbuds are more than just a beautiful face. First, the design. The Galaxy Buds Live ditched the traditional long stem earbud shape in favor of an innovative, completely different bean-shaped one. Thus, the Galaxy Bean reference. And yes, they really do look like beans. And I must say, they might be just as good to your ears. The beautiful shape affords for an eye-popping stare from onlookers to a very comfortable fit. Unlike regular earbuds, they rest in the outer part of your ears, allowing for ambient sound and the world around you to come in while listening to music. The fit is tight enough to exercise, but comfortable enough to feel like you're not wearing anything. Even more interesting, one size fits all. They come in 3 mystic colors. We're going to unbox and get my first impressions on the Mystic Black. Some of the main features: active noise cancellation, 8 hours of listening time, 21 hours with case, 5 minutes gives you 1 hour listening time, and 3 mics provided. The box is very simple with a beautiful picture of the Buds Live on the outside. On the inside of the box, you also have a very simple but eloquent presentation. The case is made of plastic, but the build quality is well designed. The earbuds themselves are black and shiny. And you have the USB-C cable, and it seems to be made out of some thick, sturdy cable. Then we have our user manual, quick start guide, along with the warranty. Of course, you can use this to get instructions on how to quickly get it started, how to download the applications, and it even has a QR code on it. And finally, you have the 2 extra earbud covers. If you're finding value in this so far, please hit the like button and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is take out your phone, go to the Galaxy store and find Galaxy Wearables. Then hit the download to download it. Now swipe on the up button and then hit the Galaxy Buds Live to install. Allow, 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 allow. Now let's pair it. Select the Galaxy Buds Live. Let's pair it up. Allow, okay. Apps installing, 100%. Boom shakalaka. Congrats. You now have your new Galaxy Bud live. Hit continue, then hit allow, then allow, then allow. Now we are at the point where you can see how to use it. As it does its final pairing, boom shakalaka. Now we are at the home screen and ready to set it up completely. Let's look at the phone interface app. You'll notice at the very top you have the active noise canceling. You can toggle that on or off to cancel noise. Next, you have the equalizer with 6 settings. The settings range from normal to bass boost to soft to dynamic to clear and to treble boost. Next, you have your touch controls. On your touch controls, you can block the touches to prevent accidental touches by toggling it on or off. You can set up your left or right earbuds with 3 settings by touch and hold. You can either set it up for active noise canceling, Bixby, or volume down. Next, we have the readout notifications. In the readout notifications, you can set it to read out while you're using your phone, your email, your incoming call, your messages, your missed calls, or your schedule, or any other applications that you have set up for this. In the advanced features, you have 2 settings. You can set it up for a Bixby wake-up call, which will wake it up by voice, or you could set it up with your seamless earbud connection. If you had another device, it will quickly connect to it. Under Labs, you have the gaming mode, which will minimize the audio latency for gameplay, and you have the relieve pressure, which will take pressure with ambient sound if you're having pressure issues. Find My Earbuds is very simple. Just tap on the left or the right earbud, push start, and it will find your earbuds for you. You will hear a loud chirping sound until the earbuds are found. In the general section, you can reset the earbuds to the factory default, or you can go here and download the user manual by clicking on the link. It will take you to the site. You choose your language and then you download the user manual. Now you have instructions on how to use the phone. And finally, the software update. You can go here to download and install any updates for your software. So this has been a quick unboxing and setting up of the Galaxy Earbuds Live. I have to say, I'm really liking the design and the comfortable fit. And after a quick test, I think they're excellent earbuds. So I look forward to a full review. So please come back and check it out. If you found value in this unboxing and first impression, please hit the like button, subscribe, and check the notifications for my latest videos. All other products in the link will be linked in the description below. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. And remember, before you buy anything, check it out.
Be strong.